Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to delete a Vercel project. Alright, let's begin. First, go to your Vercel dashboard and make sure you are on the Overview tab. From here, select the project you want to delete. Click on the project to open its main page. Next, go to the Settings tab. Scroll all the way to the bottom until you see the Delete Project section. Click on the Delete button. You will be asked to confirm the project name, so type the exact name of the project in the input box. After that, you also need to type Delete my project to confirm. Once both fields are filled, click on the Continue button. Now the project will be deleted from your Vercel dashboard. It will no longer appear in your list of projects, and the website it was hosting will no longer be accessible. This means the project has been fully removed from your account and from Vercel's servers. If you ever want to re-add the project, you can do so by clicking the Add New button at the top right and uploading the project files again. So that's basically how you can delete a Vercel project. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.